Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so syncing can proceed. First, check the Dropbox app is installed and updated, and make sure you are signed into the correct account. Next, confirm your internet, proxy, VPN, and firewall settings allow cloud traffic. These often block sync. Also check local drive free space and pause any heavy network use. Once done, restart the Dropbox client and your machine, because a clean start often resolves initial handshake issues. Now you diagnose the more intricate causes that stop syncing. Open Dropbox preferences and confirm selective sync hasn't excluded the folder. Also check bandwidth limits that can throttle transfers. Then inspect problematic files. Long paths, forbidden characters, or restrictive permissions will halt uploads. Scan for conflicted copies and note any specific error codes. If a file shows as syncing but never finishes, move it out of the Dropbox folder to isolate the issue. Then monitor the client log for repeating failures. To complete the fix, force synchronization and verify results. Restart the Dropbox app or use the Sync Now command, then confirm changed files upload and appear online. If specific files failed, fix permissions, rename illegal characters, or move them back in small batches. As a last resort, unlink then relink your account or reinstall the Dropbox client to clear corrupted state. If problems persist, one key tip: check the Dropbox desktop icon for an error code, then capture logs before contacting support so you can give precise information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.